First checkup after rhinoplasty surgery is made on the third day after operation. During this period, the nasal leaks and crustings are cleaned with a special method, and this process is taught to the patient. Second checkup is made on 7th day after operation. Doctors take away the tampons and small splints from the nose. On the 7th day after the splints are taken away in order to reduce the swellings, small plasters are glued on the nose. They will disappear after 2 days after you take a shower. Next checkup is made for general control on the 3rd month after operation, and the last control is made on the 6th month in order to check the general shape of the nose. Rhinoplasty surgery is one of the most frequently performed operations, and it takes approximately 2 hours. It's made under hospital conditions. Post-operation recovery period after rhinoplasty surgery is usually quite comfortable. If the operation is made only on nasal tip, then neither tampons nor splints are applied. That's why a person may come back to his or her social life on the next day after operation. If it's a comprehensive rhinoplasty surgery, if there is a nasal hump, then a general nose operation is performed. Recovery period is normally about 1 week. Light bruises and swellings naturally may occur, but they start to disappear in the first week after removal of the splint. After about 10 days, there will be no problem left. It's very important to protect your nose from any strikes. Such activities as regular jogging may be performed after 1 month after operation. Pilates or other activities like this may be performed in the 2nd month after the operation. Since nose is in the middle of the face, it also gives an aesthetic value to a person. And if someone feels uncomfortable about their nose, they will feel themselves unhappy. That's why rhinoplastic surgeries are made so often. Age limit for such surgeries is 18 years. We applied rhinoplasty surgeries to everyone who reaches 18 years old. We do not perform and do not recommend to do any plastic surgery until you reach 18 years, because until that age your cartilage and bones are not developed enough. The main purpose of rhinoplasty surgery is to make a natural nose suitable for the anatomy of the face. By this surgery, it's possible to get rid of nose hump, to make your nose narrower, and fix some nasal tip disorders. In addition, if a patient is having difficulty in breathing, we can also correct this problem by performing this operation. Mainly, we do open technique rhinoplasty surgery. After the surgery, we place tampons which do not disturb you while breathing because they have holes in the middle. You can see final shape of the nose between 6 months or 1 year after the surgery.
You can contact us immediately via our WhatsApp number or click the link in the video to ask our doctor questions via email.